Begin by opening your StratumSafe kit. Read the instructions and sampling location guide. Remove the kit components. Place the cold pack in the freezer to ensure proper shipping conditions. To begin, wipe sampling a countertop. Grab the collection tubes and marker. Label each collection tube with the following: sample number, sample location, date and time of sample collection, and the initials of the analyst. Put on required PPE in accordance with your internal procedures. Position the sample template over the desired surface. Moisten the swab using the wetting agent in the collection tube. Wipe the sampling area inside the frame in an S pattern from left to right. Then flip the swab head and repeat the wipe in an S pattern from top to bottom. Place the swab back into the tubes, snap the top off, and secure the cap. Next, log into the Stratum Lab Link portal and click the StratumSafe Quick Link. Fill out the sample submission form using identical naming convention as your labeled tubes. Once complete, submit your form. After submission, you will receive a printable copy of the sample submission form to your email. Please print the completed form to include in your shipment. Place the collection tubes back into the resealable bag and place them into the insulated mailer. Then add the frozen cold pack and seal the mailer. Place the insulated mailer and the printed sample submission form into the kit. Place the kit inside the mailer bag with a fixed return label and close the seal. Your sample is now ready for shipment. Thank you for choosing Stratum Analytical.